wait, and honestly, I don't blame him. These chocolate cookies are soft, rich, and hide a creamy peanut butter center that stays perfectly smooth inside. The filling's easy, just mix everything until it's thick and creamy. You'll know it's right when it doesn't stick to your fingers anymore. I like to freeze it for a bit so it's easier to wrap later, and it keeps that soft truffle-like center when baked. And while those chill, let's start on the dough. Just a quick mix, but this is where that deep, rich chocolate flavor really starts. This is our secret. Using 2 sugars changes everything. The white sugar helps the cookies spread and get those rippled edges, and the brown sugar keeps the middle soft, rich, and chewy. That mix is what gives them the perfect texture. Once everything's mixed, the dough will look soft and a bit sticky, and that's exactly what we want. And here's another little secret. If you spread the dough up the sides of the bowl, it chills faster and firms up evenly, makes it so much easier to shape later. There's something so satisfying about assembling these cookies, sealing that creamy center inside and knowing what's waiting when you break them open. And here's our third secret. Texture the tops with your fingertips. Those tiny ridges help the cookies form natural ripples as they bake. That's what gives them beautiful shape later. They come out puffy and soft at first, then slowly settle as they cool, forming those gentle ripples around the edges. The best part, that soft peanut butter center. It's simple, rich, and perfect. You'll see what I mean when you try it.